Here we are in section 1.5 with the solutions to numbers 19 through 30. First off, evaluate the expression with the given variables. So that means we're going to stick it in and actually find the answer. So, number 19, 4 times x, so x is 4. So that's going to be 4 times 4 plus, and then 16 goes in for t. 16 plus 16 is 32. Good. Number 20. When x is negative 4, we're going to stick that right there. We get 19 times negative 4. Maybe parentheses will signify our multiplication a little bit better than a dot on that one. Minus 47. Y is 3. So 3 goes in right there for y times 3. So we get negative 76 minus 141. Let's make sure and stick that in our calculator, get that right. Negative 76 minus 141. These are both headed in the same direction, so it should be a big negative number, negative 217. Number 21, x, so x is 18, plus 2 times y, y is 3, minus 3 times z, and z is 20. And either a dot or parentheses, either way, it signifies multiplication. But multiplication by order of operations, these two are glued together, so it's actually 18 plus 6 minus 60. Go ahead and plug that in. 18 plus 6 minus 60. And we get a negative 36. Oh yeah, positive 24 minus 60, that's a negative 36. And number 22, 4/5 times x. So x is 5. So we're going to put a times 5 right there. And that's a 5 over a 1 plus 2/7 times 7. And that's a 7 over a 1. 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 5 is 4. Plus, you could also see it as the 5's divide to 1, cancel out there. 2 divided by 7 times 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. They're gone. So that's 4 plus 2. The answer would be a 6 on number 22. Great. Translate the following into math. So we'll use variables and pluses and minuses here. John, that's going to be a J, is, that's equals 5 years older than, so older than, that's a big plus sign, Maria. So J equals 5 plus M, translated into math. Number 24. Chris, that's a K, is 17 years older than twice, now that's a 2 times Charlotte's age. So we get K is 17 years older than, that's a plus, twice Charlotte's age, 2C. Great. Number 25. The radius, so that's going to be our R, is, that's equals, 5 less than. Now less than is a minus, but it's 5 subtracted from. When you're 5 smaller than something, that means you're taking that something and subtracting 5. So this 5 actually has to go on the other side of that. And then 4 times, that's a dot, 4 times the height. So this would be radius equals 4h minus 5. So 5 subtracted from 4h. All right, number 26. Twice the number of nickels, so that's 2 times n, number of nickels, is equal to 3 less than, there's that less than again, where the 3 gets moved on the other side, the number of pennies, so P. So we get twice the number of nickels is equal to 3 less than the number of pennies. Oh, that was an interesting one. Twice the number of nickels is equal to 3 less than, or subtracted 3 from, the number of pennies. All right, number 27. There are 4 times as many horses as cows. Oh, this wording is hard. There are 4 times as many horses or cows. So rewriting it, the number of horses is 4 times as big as the number of cows. Horses is 4 times the number of cows. And go ahead and try this. There are more horses than cows. If you were to write it the other way, 4h equals c, you'd actually have that c was bigger. But here we have whatever c is, h is 4 times as big. Yeah, whatever c is, h is 4 times as big. Good. Number 28. That's a hard one to see it directly translating. Number 28. The sum is addition of the number of pigs and chickens is equal to 17. So pigs and chickens, the sum of those is 17. And number 29. A number, n, increased by 30%, that's going to be 0.3 of, that's times, the number is equal to 75. So number increased by 30% is, move the decimal 1, 2 places, make it 0.3 of the number equals 75. Excellent. And number 30, the final one. Twice the difference. Difference is subtraction between two numbers, just like sum would be plus. Mark's height and Nick's height. So that is Mark's height and Nick's height. That's the difference between those, and it says twice that. So twice the difference between Mark's height and Nick's height is equal to 33. Look at that. We transferred all of those from English into math. Excellent.